Hi. So today I am back in Texas. Yay, Texas! Um, it was a really long day. We did pretty much nothing except for travel. So that was fun. Yeah. We had to wake up at like 8 o'clock, which doesn't sound like it would be hard, but it really was. And then we got on a bus at like noon-ish, I think. I don't know. I don't know. And then we had a 2-hour bus ride just to get to the airport. And then after we got to the airport, we had another 2 hours to just sit and wait. Yeah. So our flight was scheduled to take off at like 4, I think. So 4 o'clock rolls around, and we all get on the plane, and everything's okay. We're on time. Everything's running smoothly, and all that kind of stuff, and it's all good. And then right as we're about to take off, the girl who's sitting in front of me looks down. She's like, "Hey, guys, it's a broken mirror." So, of course, everyone's freaking out around me. They're like, "Oh my gosh, the plane's gonna crash. We're all gonna die. It's a broken mirror. It's bad luck." Stuff like that. So that was really good. That was no, no, that was really bad. So everyone's freaking out the whole time we're taking off, and obviously, I mean, nothing happened. I'm still here. So the plane didn't crash, obviously, and we're all okay. And yeah, but yeah, so the plane landed and everything was all fine and dandy. And we had another hour bus ride to get back home. And I think we got home and it was like 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock, I don't know. So basically our entire day was just traveling to get home. It's fun though. I mean, I enjoyed it. I got to sleep a lot. But yeah, whatever. Pretty much it. Bye.